Guys, look at this. This is sunset here somewhere in Pakistan, Bahawalpur, and the sun is dying. And just before the sunset, look at this is a beautiful scenery. Beautiful scene. This is beautiful scenery, as you know that. Look at this. The birds are back to their homes. Look at this. This is a lot of birds are going back to their homes. What an amazing and beautiful look of a village situated in Pakistan, Bahawalpur. And look at this. The sun is just before the sunset. An awesome view. You can also watch more beautiful videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.